When it comes to enhancing the look and value of your home in Knoxville, there's one upgrade that stands out: new windows. While windows may seem like a small part of your home's exterior, they play a major role in shaping the overall aesthetic and functionality of your property. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to freshen up its appearance, replacing your windows can have a dramatic effect on its curb appeal. Here's how new windows can boost the visual appeal of your Knoxville home and provide several other valuable benefits. Enhancing the aesthetic of your home. The exterior of your home is the first thing people notice when they visit, and windows are one of the most prominent features. Over time, windows can become worn, outdated, or even damaged, detracting from the beauty of your home. By upgrading to new, modern windows, you can completely transform your home's appearance. New windows come in a variety of styles, sizes, and finishes that can complement your home's architecture, whether you have a traditional, contemporary, or rustic-style home. From sleek, minimalistic designs to classic, elegant options, you can choose windows that suit your personal taste and enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. For example, installing large picture windows or bay windows can open up your living space, creating a more inviting and airy look. For a more traditional touch, double-hung windows or colonial-style windows can elevate your home's charm. The materials you choose for your new windows, such as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, can also contribute to the overall curb appeal. High-quality, low-maintenance materials that resist warping, cracking, or fading will not only improve the look of your home but will also ensure that your windows stay looking new for years to come. Increased energy efficiency and cost saving. In addition to boosting the appearance of your Knoxville home, new windows can also make it more energy efficient. Older windows may allow drafts to enter, making your home less comfortable and causing your energy bills to rise. If your windows have single-pane glass or poor insulation, they could be letting precious heating and cooling escape, leading to increased costs over time. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with double or triple glazing and low emissivity coatings can help to regulate the temperature inside your home, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This energy-efficient upgrade reduces the strain on your heating and cooling systems, helping you save on energy bills. With the extreme seasonal temperatures that Knoxville can experience, having windows that keep your home well insulated can be a game changer for both your comfort and your wallet. Enhancing natural light. New windows can also make a big difference when it comes to the amount of natural light that enters your home. Large, strategically placed windows can bring more sunlight into your living spaces, brightening up rooms and creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Natural light not only makes your home feel more open and airy but also has positive effects on your health and well-being. In Knoxville, where sunlight can vary throughout the year, upgrading to windows that maximize light and provide a better connection to the outdoors can improve your quality of life. For instance, you might opt for larger windows or sliding glass doors to open up your living room to your backyard or patio, creating a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. Boosting your home's value. If you're planning to sell your home, new windows can significantly increase its market value. Potential buyers often look for homes that are well-maintained, energy-efficient, and aesthetically appealing. By replacing your old windows with stylish, modern options, you're showing that your home has been cared for and that it offers updated features that enhance its livability. According to real estate experts, new windows can deliver a substantial return on investment, ROI, when selling your home. Homes with upgraded windows tend to sell faster and at higher prices compared to homes with outdated or damaged windows. The added energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, and improved comfort of your home can make it stand out in a competitive market like Knoxville's. Low maintenance and durability. New windows are designed to be durable and low maintenance, which is especially important for homeowners who want to reduce the amount of time and money spent on upkeep. Modern windows are built to resist the elements, such as rain, snow, and UV rays, and they require less frequent cleaning and maintenance than older windows. For instance, vinyl windows are resistant to fading, warping, and cracking, while fiberglass windows offer exceptional strength and insulation properties. By choosing high-quality, long-lasting materials for your new windows, you'll not only improve your home's curb appeal but also save yourself the hassle of frequent repairs or replacements. Noise reduction. And another often overlooked benefit of new windows is the reduction in outside noise. If your Knoxville home is located in a busy area with traffic, construction, or other outdoor distractions, upgrading to soundproof windows can provide a quieter, more peaceful living environment. These windows are designed with layers of insulation that block out unwanted noise, giving you a more serene indoor space. Whether you're relaxing at home or trying to work in a quiet environment, reducing noise pollution can significantly improve your quality of life. Final thoughts. New window installation in Knoxville offers numerous benefits that go beyond just aesthetics. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, or boost its resale value, upgrading your windows can be one of the most rewarding home improvement projects you undertake. With a wide range of styles, materials, and features to choose from, you can find the perfect windows to match your home's design and your personal preferences. By investing in new windows, you're not only making your home more beautiful but also improving its functionality, comfort, and value. If you're ready to take the next step toward enhancing your Knoxville home, consider reaching out to a professional window installation company to explore your options and start the transformation.